Welcome to the world of mixologica. Let's find out how to use it together. First of all, let's make sure that there is an electrical outlet, a water pipe and a drain close to mixologica. We connect to the mixologica loading tube to the water supply. If the main water pipe is not available, we immerse the filler pipe into a container of drinking water placed underneath the machine. We connect the mixological water drain pipe to the chosen drain route, sink, or to a container placed underneath the machine. Mount the section of pipes connecting them to each channel, identifying each one with a progressive number to ensure the correct combination between channels and bottles. Remember to keep the power button pressed for a few seconds until the display has been switched on completely. There are 3 levels of password access. The supply access is reserved for service personnel who are not authorized to modify the recipes. Settings access allows you to modify recipes and ingredients. It is ideally reserved for the bartender. Maintenance access allows access and modification of all the mixologica functions. It is ideally reserved for the owner or manager. Now, enter the password in the login box. Click Configuration from the top menu to program the delivery menu and its ingredients in different ways. Select Channels, Ingredients to prepare the selected ingredients. Insert the name of the ingredient, choosing from those in the database. Insert the bottle's capacity, either confirming the standard capacity that Mixologica offers or inserting the bottle's actual capacity. Load the bottles into the box near Mixologica. Insert the suction cap into each bottle and connect it to the clamp of the corresponding barrel until you hear the click. It is now necessary to pass the hydraulic trigger, which allows us to start using Mixologica. Remember to eliminate any residual liquid collected. Click on Cocktail, and Mixologica on the right-hand side will show us different selectable cocktails that contain those ingredients. Choose from the selectable cocktails the ones you want to dispense, moving them between the realizable cocktails on the left-hand side of the screen. At this point, the delivery list can be saved by giving it a name, and you can prepare to deliver. If you want to form our work menu starting from a series of known cocktails from the cocktail menu, type the name of the cocktail on the right-hand side of the display. Select on the right-hand side a proposed desired variant. Mixologica will insert the necessary ingredients. Among the selectable variants, there may also be cocktails with some ingredients that are missing. Mixologica indicates them clearly. Once the missing ingredient is inserted, the cocktail can be moved into the Achievable area. Now you have created the delivery menu, and you can check the necessary ingredients by clicking on Channels, Ingredients. The ingredients loaded automatically by Mixologica will appear. Save the list created so we can use it whenever we want. To further expand the choice of cocktails, start from the top lists that offer a wider range of cocktails with common characteristics. For example, IBA 1995. Click on the top list concerned. For example, World Harmonies. Click Search. Mixologica will propose, on the right-hand side, other cocktails that we can move on the left-hand side among the Achievable area. The list of achievable cocktails can be changed at any time by choosing new cocktails from those listed on the right. As always, we finish the operation by saving the generated list. Starting from the configuration screen, to add a cocktail of our invention, click on More Cocktail. Write the name of the cocktail and give it a category. Add ingredients and quantities. Save and confirm. Now the new invented cocktail is among the selectable cocktails and you can move them into the achievables. You can change ingredients or doses for each cocktail. Recall the cocktail of which we want to formulate a variant. Change the doses or ingredients. Change the name and select Save as New if we do not want to change the original cocktail in the database. Only if we want to replace the original cocktail with one modified, we click Modify. Click on Supply, and from the list in the middle, select with the arrow the cocktail to be loaded on the available slot. It is possible to dispense more cocktails in rapid sequence, choosing them from the last or most dispensed. See top line. The light bulb symbol provides useful information regarding the manual completion of the cocktail. Prepare the glass with ice, and in the case of crushed ice, we introduce the base first. Hold the Deliver button for 3 seconds until the horizontal rectangle is completely coloured and you're done. Congratulations! Cocktails are ready to be served. At the end of the working day, the washing operation must be performed. Enter the Settings menu, click Diagnostics, Maintenance. There are 3 washing operation options: hot wash, cold wash, total wash. The cold and hot washes involve the internal parts of Mixologica. The suction cap can be washed separately. In Total Wash, on the other hand, allows the suction pipes to be cleaned as well. In this case, before the operation, it is important to remember to detach the pipes from the suction cap and connect them to the water container. Mixologica allows you to control the number of cocktails, the consumption of ingredients, and other valuable information. By clicking Report on the top menu, you will see 6 important report options. Select the report you want to consult. Define when. Define the time interval. Click on Get Report. From the Settings menu, it is possible to use diagnostic tools. maintenance, initialization, and setting the machine parameters reserved for the technical assistance staff. At the end of the session, remember to switch off Mixologica. It's simple, just press here. Mixologica. Concentrate, organize, create. Good work and have fun!